Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have created the ultimate Christmas dip. This is a pastel dip. If you guys love cheese, you love to eat a dip with chips, this is your recipe. So let me jump straight into the recipe. We're starting off in a large skillet with some oil. Allow the oil to come up to temperature, and once it comes up to temperature, we're going to add in our minced meat. And I'm using turkey. You feel free to use chicken, pork, beef, whatever you want to use, or even shrimp if you're a pescatarian. Season with salt and pepper. And if you wanted to make this vegetarian, you can use minced soya chunks. Next goes in some annatto or roucou powder, some smoked paprika, and we're going to mix that in. You want to mix it properly, allow it to coat the pieces of meat. If you wanted to put a link of chorizo in this, which is pork sausage, you can. I chose to omit that. In went some tomato paste and some Worcestershire sauce. And I'm just going to mix that and allow that tomato paste to cook out a minute. Now we're going to add our pimento peppers, olives, capers, onions, raisins, and please guys, please put the raisins. When you get that bite with that chip and all of those flavors come together, it's going to taste really delicious. So we're just going to cook this out for about 1 minute. After that 1 minute, we're going to add in our chopped jalapeños, and I'm using pickled jalapeños, fire roasted tomatoes, and some chopped bandania or culantro, or shadow benny as some of you all may know it. Give that a mix, allow that to warm through. You don't need to cook it very long, it's going to continue to cook again. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in our cheese, and my choice of cheese is velveta with some cheddar cheese. If you can't find velveta, use any type of cheese you can find that's nice and soft and melting. Allow that to cook until the cheese starts to soften, and you want to put this on a low heat when you're doing this. So it still needs to soften some more, so what I'll do is I'll cover it and allow it to continue to go for about 5 more minutes. You want to check it at 5-minute intervals because the cheese does not take very long to melt. Now let's go back and check on it again, and you can see that the cheese is properly melted. This is how it should look, guys. Now if you think it's too thick, add some chicken stock or some water to thin it out a little, and I promise you it will be perfect. Next, all you have to do is dish it out in your serving dish, and I'm serving mine with some homemade plantain chips. You can even use regular tortilla chips for this. This was super delicious and amazing. When I got that bite of raisin in there, I said yes, it really needed to be in there, and I'm not a lover of raisins in my food. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it down below. It's perfect for entertaining this holiday season. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen today. To continue to stay safe, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.